Hey, what up, everybody? This is Dottie from Ignite Cinemas, and today I wanted to switch it up. I wanted to put out a fun video. So I was like, okay, why not give you guys my 2018 desk/office tour? Let's get it! Over the New Year's, I got a lot of new gear, so obviously I've been on my new year, new gear, no fear, full beard whole motto the whole month, and January is ending, and you know, I saw some cool videos on YouTube of people with their fancy desk and everything like that. Well, I upgraded my desk and I was like, let me show off my little office. You know, I did some renovations even though I'm supposed to be moving in like a few months, but I spend all my time in my office and at my desk. I spend at least 8-9 hours a day putting in work, even on the weekends. Look, even my son, he made himself cozy to come in my office while I work. He plays and does his own thing. And now, first things first, shouts out to all you minimalists out there, and I've read books on it, and it seems cool. It's always something that seems cool. I tried it and failed. I'm just not a minimalist guy. You know, like, I like a little chaos. I like some organized chaos in my office space. And that's been since I was like living at my mother's house. Like, I've always had a room where it wasn't like plain Jane walls and one thing hung up. When I used to live at my mama's house, I used to have like posters all over it, like tatted up, like it looked like graffiti. On this wall, it's not even like random stuff, it's stuff for inspiration. So let's start with the wall first. Shouts to my boy Willie, he painted this for me. It's actually on a vinyl, and it's of Ice Cube. I'm a big fan of Ice Cube, of course, because of NWA, and my favorite movie growing up when I was 5 years old was Boys in the Hood, so we keep it moving. Of course, I got Al Pacino, Scarface, you know, the world is mine. The world is yours, Chico. Hey, Pelican, fly, Pelican. Of course, I got my son. This is actually an extra 8x10 we had from his party in September, and I bought a little $1 picture frame from the dollar store. Shoot, it looked cool though, so I'm with it. Right here is the infamous K. Michelle autograph. Now, I'm not just like no pervert who just has like a girl up there, but backstory about this, my girlfriend, I actually ordered her a CD when the CD came out, and it came with a free poster, and so I took the poster. She was happy with the CD. Right there, that's very rare. I'm a wrestling head, like wrestling fanatic since the Attitude Era. That's a rare license plate, the great one, because every time I'm working, I like to look up and remind myself, like, you know what? I am the great one, and everyone needs to know their role and shut their mouth. Chicago Bulls is my team. I know we're looking weak right now, but I've always been a Bulls fan, and I actually got this from Round 2 in Richmond, like when they first opened, like before it was the big gallery they are now, and they expanded to LA and stuff like that. Like, this right here is from one of my favorite movies. It's a scene depicted from it, Blood In, Blood Out. My homie Chubbs, he did this painting for me a few years ago, and you know, it inspires me. Like, I love art. As we keep it moving over here, you know, Mexican, I'm half Mexican, so you know the Virgin de Guadalupe is right there. This right here though, you always need to remind yourself you're the champion. My buddy Rocky, he got me this for Christmas, and I was like, man, I don't even want to have this hidden in the little case it was in. It came in like a little bag. I was like, so I went on Amazon, they actually make a thing where you could display your belt, and I was like, you know what, say no more. So I got the belt, the championship belt hung up, because I always need to be reminded, especially when I'm editing these videos. Sometimes I need inspiration, so I just look up and I'm like, you know what? I am the champ. I am the champion. This is my title. Ain't no one gonna take it from me, so it gives me extra boost and motivation. This is the wall. This is where I stay organized. You know, I don't do those little small calendars and stuff. I'm a big fan of Post-it notes. You know, write what you need to write. When you're done, fold it, trash it, do what have you. This has been keeping me organized for the beginning of 2018. I love organization. Of course, I got my 5 goals plus bonus ones if I'm really about that life. You gotta write your goals down. Gotta talk to you. You gotta write your goals down. Like, I was always a firm believer, like, man, writing goals. Like, I remember in my head, but last year specifically, I wrote down 5 goals. And come to think about it, I knocked out 4 of the 5. So it's always a good reminder to wake up and get after your goals, look over your goals, and just be a constant so it locks into your subconscious, so you know you gotta crush it. There's no excuses. All right. Then I got my OG whiteboard, put some quotes up here and there. Shout out to my stepson, he painted that for me. That's my wall. This is my inspiration wall. When I'm working and doing stuff, I just look up and get inspiration. Oh man, this stuff is bonus stuff. I'll talk about it since this is an office tour. Usually my son, he watches like TV. We got the Roku. He watches his Sid the Science Kid and Bubble Guppies. But I got the classics on deck if he ever wants to take that leap. I'm a big Seinfeld head. Shouts to everyone who loves Seinfeld. That is my favorite TV show of all time. My mother put me onto that when I was a kid. There's my son, Goldberg, you're next. You know, I got that from an actual event in DC. I think it was Starrcade. I went to Starrcade in '99 and I saw Goldberg lose for the first time. I think his winning streak was 185-0. And I saw him come out and he got beat by Kevin Nash and Scott Hall. It was some bullshit, but I saw Goldberg. Shouts to Stone Cold. I'm mad I never got to see Stone Cold in person. This was my old piggy bank when I was a young buck trying to get some change, you feel me? Another painting by the great artist Willie Porter. This was a one-of-one action figure I loved X-Pac growing up, D-Generation X. My mom got me that for Christmas. I mean for my birthday. I read a lot, but I don't really keep hard copies. I'm all on the Kindle. Like this is where I read all my books. It's small, simple. I get my quick reading. I don't have to have a big old book. And you know, when you have kids, I have a 1-year-old. He's always getting into stuff, ripping stuff. This goes in my pocket, boom. When he falls, takes a nap, pull it out. I'm reading the chapter, getting it done. So that's a tour of my office pretty much. The 2018 desk tour. I got the lava lamp. It usually pops off at night. I work late. Like I work throughout the day, but at night I become alive. It's just something about the fact that I feel like everyone's sleeping outside and I'm the only one up, even inside, because my kids are asleep, my ladies sleep, everyone's asleep. It's like my time to just peace. All the lights turned off, that pink lava lamp turns on, it's fire. Of course, I got the new bad boy on the block, my GH5. I'm loving it with the Sigma art lens. 18-35 with the Metabones. This is my old Mac. I've had this since like 2010 and it's still running like a champ. I mean, the charger's a little messed up, but it's still working though. Uh-oh, who's calling me? Hey.
Hey.
What's up?
What you doing?
I'm doing my desk tour review for my YouTube channel. You're on camera right now. You call that perfect time.
Why would you?
As you can see, I got my phone right here. I bought this cool charger. I'll leave a link in the description. It actually hooks up. I like it. It's like a dock for your phone. My son, he likes to get into like wires if I have him hooked up over here. So this he can't touch and my phone gets charged. It was only like $8, $10. Well worth the purchase. I got my old beast right here. This is my old Mac. And I got this in 2013. But I got the new beast because I'm handling a lot of 4K footage now, and this one was looking extra weak and I had to step it up. Both the same size. So the good thing about that, I could be like working on something here and then come back here and then just move my chair on over. So it's been great. I've definitely gotten more productive. As we keep it moving, of course I keep the snowball mic handy because you never know when you're gonna have to do a tutorial or get on vocals. I have meetings every day with my team and you know, sometimes I pull out the snowball mic so I can sound more crisp. This is my trap phone, aka my work phone. I like keeping all my old iPhones. They still work and I turn on the Wi-Fi and we're good. To round this out, this right here, this right here, this is my best friend, especially at night when I'm rendering videos and it's taking a while. Well, I'm playing Zelda right now. That's the game I'm on right now. Shouts to the Nintendo Switch. I always keep that handy by my desk. That's pretty much my desk tour. Of course, this. You gotta get a good chair. You gotta get cozy chair. Like my last chair was hurting my back, spinal. You know, I'm getting old. I'm almost 30. I'm spending 8 hours a day in front of these monitors, putting in work. I need to sit down in something that's comfortable and can sustain this. So I'll leave a link of this in the description. Matter of fact, everything I have in my office, there's a lot of rare stuff though, but anything I do have that is available on Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description so you can purchase yourself. That's my desk tour, you know. my desk/office tour 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really had fun making this video. This video was awesome. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that thumbs up, hit the like button. And of course, if you want to see more videos in the future, from vlogs to tutorials to unboxings, reviews, tests, please hit the red button. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video again. And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya!